Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna go over this multi kind of battery charger for Dewalt batteries. So if you're like me and you got several of these Dewalt batteries here and you just need a good way of charging these things, this is something I recommend for you. And let me just unbox it right here. Looks like you get a little set of instructions, but you know what? It looks like basically you plug this thing in and you are good to go. And if you've ever priced any of these Dewalt like multi-battery chargers, oh wow, they are costly. Let's see how this one goes. So you get a little handle right there for holding it. Battery charger, you can see it goes at 100 to 240 volt, 2 amp max. So just going over it, it looks like you get the pack charging. It's a 10.8 volt, 18 to 18 volts, 12 volt max to 20 volt max, and all of mine are 20 volts. So we are all set on that. Let me take it over here, plug it up, and let's put these things on charge and let's see how they work. Okay, so I have this little outdoor outlet right here. This is another product right here that I would recommend. It plugs in, I've got it plugged into my inverter on the inside right here. It has an on and off switch. We do have it on. I've seen a red light come on. Let's grab the batteries real quick. Slide that one on, slide that one on, and slide that one on. Each one has its own little red mark. You guys see that right there? There's a red there, red there. So those are charging. It's charging every single one of them right now. This is so handy. It's working. I see it working right there. What does that mean? So if it's, I have to read that again. Pack charging, it's going to be flashing. Pack charge when it's fully charged. Hot, cold delay, problem, it'll do like, I guess, just an always on. It's charging every single one of these. And then you can actually hang this thing up because it has a place right here for putting screws up, which I might eventually do. That way I have all of my batteries on charge just like that. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great item for anyone that just needs to have a multi-charging battery pack for Dewalt. Because I love it when I can get, you know, Dewalt type functionality without that Dewalt price. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the multi-battery charging, you know, Dewalt. See you all in the next video.